Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute long-necked dinosaur. Let's start with the eye. Draw one big round eye. Then add a small nose and a smiling mouth. Next, draw the head around the face. Now, draw the long neck stretching downward. Then draw the big body of the dinosaur. Next, draw the long tail behind the body. Add the forelegs with small claws on the feet. Spots on the back to make it look cute. Finally, draw some grass, rocks, and ground around the dinosaur. Great job! Great job! Now it's time to color. Color the dinosaur with bright green. On the back, use light yellow for the neck and tummy. Color the ground with light brown. Make the grass green and the rocks gray. Your cute long-necked dinosaur is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing. Bye!